Hey, what is going on, guys? I'm back with a video about how to install and set up your Verge official wallet for your Android smartphone. First thing, you need to look up for a Verge Tor Wallet for Android, just like this on Google Play Store. Install the app, and after that you click open. So the wallet will tell you to install the Orbot application. This app allows you to switch between full privacy or not, uh, which is the key feature of the Verge coin. So click install. Just wait a second. So okay, the app has been installed. Click open. Okay, done. Click start, and it will use some kind of VPN for your privacy feature. So this is the wallet. As you can see, it's brand new. I have 0 XVG in my wallet, so no coins received so far. If you switch to the left, this is it will generate you an address. So click this button to show you copy to clipboard. So you will use this for the situation when you will buy some Verge or I don't know, use a faucet or something like that. Here it's you can see the transaction fees, which are 0.1 XVG. Show recovery phrase. You will have a unique recovery phrase just in case you I don't know, uninstall the app and I don't know, install another phone, or you want to install later um, after you reset your phone maybe, and you will enter that recovery phrase just to recover your initial Verge wallet address, because it, you don't need to create another address, so to have many addresses. Okay, so this is it. I hope this video it has been useful for you. Don't forget to click like and maybe subscribe to my channel, because I intend to create more videos. You can do requests in the comments if you want me to explain something or share something or stuff like that. So this is it, guys. Thanks. I'm out.